That or the...
Just be quiet, I'm recording.
It's doing what it did to you.
Look at that. See?
Oh, come on, Trent. I don't even think he's gonna scare the bird away.
Where's the bird? Oh, there he is.
That, or maybe that bird has a nest over here.
He's trying to
And
lure
he's
it away.
pissed. No, he's pissed because he fucked with it. See, that bird's not stupid.
He's waiting for the bird to come at him. Self-defense.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is better than chow mein.
Yes, it is, and I'm recording.
You don't see this shit every day.
Where's the bird at?
Over there on the top of the bush. And the cat's acting dumb.
Yes, he is. I'm proud of him. He's doing what I would do.
The fuck is afraid of something small?
God, these cars are getting in the way.
Where's the bird? The bird's still over there. Look, there he comes again. That bird's got some fucking balls and he's stupid.
You're rooting for the bird, aren't you?
I'm just can't believe that a bird would be that
I want
stupid.
your answer. Who are you rooting for, the cat or the bird?
I don't know. I'm just like, if the bird fucking gets it, it's its fault. I'm not gonna feel sorry for it.
Alright, well, I'm Team Cat. I'm Team Kitty. I love birds, but I'm Team Kitty.
But it depends, because he could be fucking with him, because if he fucking...
Gotcha.
Those birds get pissed.
Yes, and sometimes they pick on you for no reason. There's been 2 in my life that have picked on me.
Or your smell got to him.
Oh my god, I didn't sneak back then the way I do now. God, that bird! I kind of, the way it's going, I kind
That's
of...
acting down, though.
It's like when a kid, he won't stop cussing. That's right, Kitty. I'm proud of you, boy. I'm proud of you.
Like, la-di-da-di-da.
He wants it to come close again so he could snatch it. Is it the bird on the stick?
Yeah, and the cat's acting dumb like his head's under the bushes.
That's the instinct part, I think.
Where did the bird go?
I don't know. I think he's still on the stick, isn't he? Or on the fence? I can't see.
I can't. It's on the car.
God, this little shitty bird. This cute Animal Planet ain't this good. Oh my god, he's trying to taunt him that way. So maybe he is luring him away from the nest. Or the cat just get... Oh my god, he turned around thinking he was coming. I saw him turn quick. Alright, now he's just sitting there waiting. Oh my god, this is awesome. I hope I can record enough. Just plain dumb. Plain dumb. Oh, we got the bird in the fence again. Cat's looking himself plain dumb. The bird's right there. God damn, this car down the way. See the birding more or less. Oh, well, that's enough.